Feeling overwhelmed by all the AI tools out there? One for writing, another for voiceovers, a third for video creation. Before you know it, you've got 5 tabs open and 0 progress. But what if I could show you the best tool in each category, fast, and then reveal my bonus all-in-one solution that might replace them all, and all of these you can start using for free. Stick with me in these 5 brief sections. This could simplify your entire content workflow. The links to my recommendations are in the description below, and please hit that subscribe button as our community helps each other with finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation software. Let's get started. Section 1, Best Script Writing Tool. There are a lot of options, but here are 3 I've tested. Jasper AI. Polished and quick, but expensive. Grok. Fast responses and fun to use, but still a bit limited creatively. ChatGPT, super flexible, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. My pick is ChatGPT. Whether you need a YouTube script, blog post, or hook for your video, just describe your goal, and ChatGPT delivers. It's free to start and incredibly adaptable. Section 2, Best Voiceover Tool. Here are the top 3 AI voice tools I recommend. Play.ht. Good voices, but limited free tier. Murph AI. Great control over tone and pace, but not super beginner friendly. ElevenLabs. Unbelievably realistic voices with emotional nuance. My pick is ElevenLabs. It sounds almost human, sometimes better. Plus, you can get started with a free account. Export your voiceover and get ready for the next step. Section 3. Best Visual Generation Tool plus Final Editing. Now let's create the visuals you'll actually use in your video. These tools help generate cinematic clips or animated motion. Runway ML. Great for experimentation, but it's expensive. Labs. Fun and creative, but watermark on free tier. Kling AI. Upload a photo, type a scene, and boom, motion video. No watermark. My pick is Kling AI. Kling is a powerhouse for turning single images into stunning video clips. No timeline editing, no tech headaches. Just type what you want to see. Then comes CapCut for full video editing capabilities. CapCut is where it all comes together. Drop in your ElevenLabs voiceover, add your Kling visuals, insert background music, captions, text, effects. All with drag and drop simplicity. It's beginner friendly, fast, and free. Section 4, Why This Matters. So why should you choose just one tool per category? Because if you're starting out, bouncing between 10 apps slows you down. With ChatGPT for writing, ElevenLabs for voice, Kling AI for visuals, and CapCut for editing, you've got a full creative pipeline. No pro experience needed. Section 5, The Bonus Reveal. But wait, what if there's a tool that does almost all of this in one place? Meet syllaby.ai. You can find trending topics, auto-generate scripts, plan short-form content, and post to your favorite social media platforms, and it's all tailored automation. If you want to simplify even further, Syllaby might just be your secret weapon. Hit like if this helped you cut through the noise. Comment if you want a full tutorial on any of my recommendations, and subscribe for more time-saving tutorials that actually work. Thank you all to my community and to my new subscribers. I will see you all next time.